In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy objects in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned drafter or just beginning your journey in design, mastering the art of copying objects will enhance your efficiency and precision. So let's dive right in and explore the various methods AutoCAD offers for duplicating objects. First, let's talk about copying an object using 2 points. This is a straightforward process, allowing you to duplicate selected objects to a new location by specifying 2 points. Begin by navigating to the Home tab, where you'll find the Modify panel. Click on Copy from the options available. Once you've activated the Copy command, select the objects you wish to duplicate. It's important to ensure you've selected all desired objects before moving forward, and once ready, press Enter. Next, AutoCAD will prompt you to specify a base point for your new copy. This base point acts like an anchor, so choose carefully based on where you'd like to position your copy. Then, specify a second point. This second point, in relation to the first, will determine the precise position and orientation of your copied objects. By establishing these 2 points, you've effectively copied the selected objects to a new location, dictated by the distance and direction between the 2 points you've selected. Now, let's shift gears and discuss copying an object using a displacement. This method allows you to input specific coordinate values, providing precise control over the object's new location. Start again from the Home tab and select Copy in the Modify panel. Choose the objects you want to copy and press Enter. Afterwards, you'll need to enter a displacement value in the form of Cartesian, polar, cylindrical, or spherical coordinates. No need to include the @ sign, as AutoCAD automatically assumes relative coordinates. When prompted for the second point, simply press Enter. AutoCAD will apply the relative displacement based on the coordinate values you entered, moving your object accordingly. This method is particularly useful for exact repositioning based on numerical data. Lastly, let's look at how to copy and paste an object using a base point. This can be quite handy for transferring objects within the same drawing or even across different drawings. To start, press Ctrl+Shift+C or type Copy Base at the command prompt. You'll first need to select a base point, which will serve as a reference when you paste the object later. After selecting the base point, choose the objects you wish to copy and press Enter. Now these objects are on standby, ready to be pasted. If you need to switch to another drawing where you want these objects to reside, go ahead and do so. When you're ready, paste the objects by using one of the paste commands we discussed earlier. This method grants you the flexibility to move objects around your current project or migrate them to new ones seamlessly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to copying objects in AutoCAD. Each of these methods provides different advantages depending on your specific needs, ensuring that you can always work with precision and control. Do practice these techniques to boost your productivity and accuracy in AutoCAD.